Welcome to Goodwill Dancers. The dance that we're going to look at in this video is called Half a Cha. It was choreographed by ROB FOWLER. It's a beginner dance, 32 counts, 4 walls. The music is Half a Song by CODY Johnson. I'm just going to do a little demo and then we're going to look at the dance step by step.
Heartbroken, needing a friend. The singer started singing as I let you have my bar stool. And before that first chorus was through, you were already smiling. I said no use in trying to open up a tab. No, girl, I'm glad.
There you go, half a cha. Okay, we're going to start with the right foot. Weight is on the left. We're going to do three walks forward and point to the side. We're going to snap our fingers while we point. Okay, so we'll start off with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do the same thing going backwards, leading with our left. 3 steps, and we're going to point right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just do that one more time, starting with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 8 counts. We're going to walk forward on our right foot, step forward, point our left, step forward on the left, point our right, and we're going to follow this with a jazz box, quarter turn to the right. So to do our jazz box, we cross our right in front of our left, step our left foot back, do a quarter turn to the right and step the right foot to the side, and then we're just going to touch our left foot next to the right. Let's do those second section of 8 counts with the counts. So walk, point, jazz box, quarter turn, walk, point, jazz box, quarter turn. Let's take it from the beginning. 3 walks and a point, starting with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it's very important here after your jazz box that you just do a point, a touch with your left foot, keeping your weight on your right foot, because now we're going to go to the left. So the third section, we start our left foot to the side, bring our feet together, transfer the weight onto the right, and then a chassé to the left. Let's do that with the counts. So we finished our jazz box, our weight is on our right foot, we're touching our left next to it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, we're going to do a cross rock step with our right foot crossing over the left. 5, 6, and another chassé to the right. 7 and 8. Okay, let's put those two sections together. Starting with our side together chassé, side together chassé, rock, step, chassé. Take it from the beginning. Starting with our walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we are going to do a weave heading towards the right. So we're going to cross our left foot in front of our right, right foot to the side, cross the left foot behind, right foot to the side one more time. So we're just going to do that part. Our weave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to do another cross rock step. This time the left foot will cross in front of the right. 5, 6, and a chassé to the left. 7 and 8. The dance is finished and we start over with our walks. Let's do the last 8, starting with our weave. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's put the whole dance together from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do wall 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, wall 3, we're facing 6 o'clock. We're going to start with our walks. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, walk. Point, back, 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 point. Step, point, step, point. Jazz box, quarter turn. Side together, chassé. Rock, step, chassé. Weave. And another rock, step, chassé. One last wall and then we're going to put on the music and dance it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, I'm going to put the music on and we can dance start to finish.
Band was starting slow, and about the time you walked in, I could see it in your eyes. You were heartbroken, needing a friend. The singer started singing as I let you have my bar stool. And before that first chorus was through, you were already smiling. I said no use in trying to open up a tab. No girl, I'm glad to buy 'em. Hey, ain't it funny thinking you were thinking you'd be drinking alone? Baby, ain't it crazy what can happen in half a song? Second verse started, I asked you if you'd like to dance. When you said no, I figured, well, there goes my chance. But the singer kept on singing, and before he hit that chorus again, I felt you grab my hand. Then we beeline to the floor like we'd done this before, holding on to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, spinning only got one more. Now we're halfway through it, and we're still out here on the floor. I wonder what you're thinking, 'cause I think I'd like to drive you home. But I know that's probably never gonna happen. I just settle for your number on the napkin. And again, you never know what could happen in half a song. Half a song.
So there we have it, half a chaw. Such a beautiful dance to a beautiful song. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can see all of our other videos, and there's new ones coming up every day. Enjoy the dance, and hope to see you on the dance floor very soon.